Startup Alicia, PAW 1 Lot 1. So ito po yung construction ng concrete canal lining dito sa may D2A. So merong approved budget na 6.8 million and yung date of first publication Feb 25, 2026 and private conference noong March 5. So meron tayong loan bidder, si Limitless Civil Engineering Construction. So, declared siya as eligible and complying naman. So during bid evaluation, ang bid as rate amount is 6,826,003 pesos and 44 centavos with no discount offered. So, during the bid evaluation, wala naman pong nakitang correction. So, niremark natin siya ng single calculated bid with no arithmetical corrections. So, during meeting, kinandak po yung kanilang bid evaluation. Then, for post-qualification, the bidder passed all verification validation of its eligibility, technical and financial documents as evaluated by the BAC TWG. The bidder was found to be responsive to all requirements and is hereby declared as the single calculated responsive bid. So ito yung post-qual report. So dito sa baba, may remarks kaming nilagay na siya yung single calculated responsive bid and eligibility, technical and documents were verified and found to be compliant. So next po tayo dun sa same municipality Alicia, Lot 2. So dito po, during bid evaluation, meron dalawang bidder, si RCPS Construction and General Trading and Gera Construction Incorporated. So upon preliminary examination using a non-discretionary pass-fail criterion, both firms' eligibility, technical, and financial documents were found to be complete and in order. Their bid securities were adequate and prescribed for. Thus, both were declared as eligible and compliant for further detailed evaluation. So, for bid evaluation, during opening of bids, so ito yung mga bid amounts nila. And then for RCPS, so for correction of bids, wala din naman tayong nakitang any corrections. So may remarks tayo ditong lowest calculated bid, si RCPS. So for post-qualification, during our post-qualification, siya yung lowest calculated responsive bid. Since yung firm is compliant and responsive po doon sa eligibility, technical, and financial documents. So ito po yung report. And yun, no arithmetical errors or discrepancies found during the evaluation. So thus, RCPI's Construction General Trading found to be the lowest calculated responsive bid. Next po, sa Angadanan. So during submission and opening of bids and preliminary examination, so meron tayong dalawang bidder, si MDU Enterprises and RCPS Construction and General Trading. So parehas silang pass sa criteria na binigay ng office. So parehas silang eligible and compliant sa for further evaluation. So during opening of bids, na-open yung kanilang financial. And for bid evaluation, si MDU ang nakita ang lowest calculated bid. So wala rin po siyang arithmetical corrections. And during our post-qualification, si MDU, Enterprises and Construction, declared as the lowest calculated responsive bid. So ito po yung report. For Municipality of Cabanatuan, PAU 3 Lot 1, meron po tayong dalawang bidders, si Camberwell and MYB Builders. So parehas po silang nag-pass sa criteria ng office, so were declared as eligible and complying. So both na-open ang kanilang financial. And during the bid evaluation, si Camberwell po ang lowest calculated bid with no arithmetical corrections found. So during our post-call po, si Camberwell Construction and Supplies na yung naging lowest calculated responsive bid. Ito po yung report. For PAU 3 Lot 2, under municipality pairing ng Cabanatuan, so meron ulit po tayong dalawang contractor na sumali, si JWU Construction Supply and RPU Construction. So parehas po silang nakapasa. So both were declared as eligible and complying for further detailed evaluation. So during opening of their financial, parehas naman pong during submission ng kanilang bid, parehas pong na-open yung kanilang financial with no discount offered. And for bid evaluation, si JW Construction and Supply po ang lowest calculated bid. And during our post-qualification, since nakapasa si JW Construction sa eligibility, technical, and financial documents, So siya po yung naging lowest calculated responsive bid natin. So ito po ang report. Okay, next for PAW 4, lot 1. Nagilian. So meron pong nag-submit ng dalawang bid proposal nung bidding, si New Amson Construction and Danison's Construction and Development Corporation. So since parehas po silang nakapasa sa criteria ng office, so both were declared as eligible and compliant po. So parehas din pong na-open ang kanilang financial component and with no discount offered. So during bid evaluation po, si New Amson Construction po ang naging lowest calculated bid with no arithmetical corrections. So during the post-qualification po for New Amson Construction, nakapasa po siya sa kanilang eligibility, technical and financial documents. So declared siya as the lowest calculated responsive bid. So ito po ang report. Lowest calculated responsive bid. Next po, sa same municipality, Nagilian, sa may PAW 4 lot 2. So same po, na mayroon tayong dalawang nag-submit na proposal ng bidding. Si Danison's Construction and Development Corporation and New Amson Construction. So parehas din pong na-open ang kanilang technical and financial documents. So complying po sila. And during bid evaluation po, si Danison Construction and Development Corporation ang lowest calculated bid natin. So ito po yung post-qualification report ni Danison's Construction and Development. So, ayan. So, ang remarks po namin is the lowest calculated responsive bid since ang kanilang eligibility, technical and financial documents were verified and found to be compliant. So, for PAW 5 lot 1, dito po sa may Mercedes. So, during the opening of bids, meron pong dalawang nag-submit na bidding proposal. Ito sila RPO Construction and John Paula Construction Incorporated. So parehas din pong na-open ang kanilang technical and financial documents. So parehas silang eligible and compliant for further detailed evaluation. So during bid evaluation po, si RPO Construction ang naging lowest calculated bid. So ito naman po ang post-qual report ni RPO Construction. So, compliant po ang kanilang eligibility, technical and financial documents. So, sila po ang naging lowest calculated responsive bid. For San Mateo, PAO 6 Lot 1, during the opening of bids, meron po tayong dalawang in-open. CJR Maloloy Design and Construction and OUA Construction, since parehas pong nakapasa yung kanilang technical and financial documents. So during bid evaluation po, CJR Maloloy Design and Construction ang may lowest calculated bid. So during post-qualification po, ito yung post-qual report namin. So upon verification po ng kanilang technical and financial documents, yung eligibility po ng mga personnel and yung condition ng mga equipments. So compliant naman, so siya po yung naging lowest calculated responsive bid. For PAO 7 Lot 1 po, dito sa may Angadanan. So during opening of bids, may na-open po tayong dalawa. Si RCPS Construction General Trading and Jera Construction Incorporated. So during the bid evaluation po, si RCPS Construction and General Trading ang lowest calculated bid. So upon the post-qualification po, verify naman po yung mga documents. So si RCPS po ang lowest calculated responsive bid. And for last. Yung favorite place natin. Sa San Mateo po. This is concreting of Canal Service Road. So during the opening of bids, meron pong dalawa, si Mizrax Construction Services and 619 Builders Construction Corporation. So parehas po silang nakapasa. Since ang eligibility, technical and financial documents po nila ay kompleto and in order. So during bid evaluation po, si Mizrax po ang lowest calculated bid. So upon post-qualification po kay Mizrax Construction Services, so na-verify naman po yung kanilang mga documents, manpower and equipments. Compliant naman po, thus si Mizrax po ang naging lowest calculated responsive bid. Ito naman po yung yung bagong format ng Ate Jo. Makikita naman dito sa report. Evaluation of bids. Makikita dito yung contractor and bidder, yung amount, and the findings and observations. Also for the post-qualification report, makikita po dito yung validation and verification ng documents. So nakalagay na dito yung eligibility component. So ito po yung mga documents for the technical and the financial, and findings and observations po. So hanggang dito yan sa may OA. So na-present na po namin sa inyo yung result. Wala naman nakitang mga corrections. So ito po yung mga photographs namin during the bid evaluation ng contract PAW 1 Lot 1 to PAW 8. So ito po si Delimitless, ito po si Colin, ito naman po si Kelly. Si James po ito nakatalikod. Ito po yung mga equipments. Yung mixer gumagana.
May bagal mixer ang naka-podcast pero
Ito si JWU.
yan yung sa car mo.
Ito.
Oo, di ba?
Power Lot 1. Si
Nakakatakot mag-pot-pot dyan. Natagal mo ng picture na natin yan. Stanis mo. Yan, sa may likod. Hanggang nakatulog ka na alas 2 din talaga imbis na makatulog talaga, kumata na natulog. Baka may gas yun. Okay.
RPU. May hangover pa sa biyahe mo na rin mo.
Hindi pa nakapapesya. Hindi pa siya nakapapesya. Yan yung vibe ko.
Ito, misra. Gusto mo yung kirino.
Pwede sa division 4.
Hindi ko na abutan yan. Misa, hindi ko na abutan. No. Pinapanganak na si Pintin.
So, hanggang doon lang po yung presentation namin. Thank you.
So, may we request the TWG na bigyan kami ng kopya ng inyong yung hard copy ng bid-eval at saka post-qualification report para doon sa paggawa ng back resolution. Na yung back resolution niya is bukas.
Baka kayo, kopya kami, binawala mo.
Instead mo na lang yan.
Oo, kayo na lang mag-print.
Minsan nandun sa kakdi yung mga kape. Minsan nandun.
Leader na to?
May sa cover pa ng ticket. O yung back preso na naman. Yung ganda ko na naman yung mga staples. Walang discrepancy din sa mga pag-
Ma'am Jo, okay na ba? Okay na ba?
Di ba nag-draw ng motion si Sir Don? Ay, nag-motion. Sana po, ito na po yung wala na po.
Hindi pasok. Magkaroon kasi ng meeting, wala. Okay na.
So, ayan po, presented na po ng ating TWG yung result ng bid evaluation at the same time yung po nakandak na post-qualification. Based naman po sa report nila is wala pong arithmetic corrections yung mga prospective winners po natin doon po sa kanilang mga contract. And na-satisfied naman po nila yung pledge na equipment based po doon sa kanilang field verification sa mga offices ng ating mga contractors. So sa TWG, prepare nyo na lang po yung for printing, then pwede na po natin i-sign and okay na yun. And makapag-produce ng back office report regarding dun sa pinandak na since meron po kayong travel order na ginawa para po makapag-conduct ng post-qualification.
Nandun sa flash drive.
Ayan. So, ito po is almost naka-ready na po tayo for award. Waiting na lang din po tayo dun sa funding na manggagaling po sa ating head office. Once po na naka-ready na po yun is for award and NTP.
And honoraria.
Ayan. Ayan at in time, pwede na po tayo mag-claim ng honorarium. So, yung mga previously na naka-online na mga members natin, minus 15%. Eh, yung absent naman po ngayon at hindi umattend, Sir Teng, ikaw na bala. Hindi, biro lang po. So, hopefully po is matuloy na po itong procurement natin hanggang NTP at the same time para din po makapag-conduct na po ng implementation ng Division for Office sa kanyang infrastructure project for this year 2026. Ayan, so that ends po yung ating presentation for bid evaluation and post-qualification sa online po natin na mga kasama sa COA po na pinangungunahan po ni Sir Michael Taginod. Good afternoon, sir, and thank you po sa pag-attend dito sa ating bid evaluation and post-qualification meeting. And sa ating po TWG, sa back members, back secretariat, thank you po sa presentation at pag-attend niyo po ngayong araw. And that ends our meeting for this afternoon. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat.